course, Bengalurians have their own, say usually when it comes to such things, and this is something that has been welcomed across the country. I have two young women here with me, working professionals themselves, and of course also look after their households as well. So, two things. Biggest takeaway that many of them have been talking about is, the groceries, the GST on it coming down to about 5%. Then there is also electronics, there's also small cars, all of this, the prices being dropped. How do you view it, both as working professionals and as homemakers?
So as homemakers, definitely it's a very, very welcoming change for the common goods to come down, the personal items of daily usage. But however, I also saw that processed food has also, the GST has come down for that, like your instant noodles and all of that. So I don't know, I would not want my kid to have it in more quantity just because the...
But you're the one who's buying.
Maybe if my husband goes and buy, that also is a possibility. The health insurance is also something which I felt is a very welcoming change, given that I have a old parent at home.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Absolutely, and I think that is very, very essential. It was spoken about quite often in the past. Tell me, what is the biggest takeaways for you in this revision that has been?
No, I think it's a commendable step by the government. Most important is the cut in the stationery, which is now nil. So I think that's the first step towards making education accessible and a great, great step towards Viksit Bharat. What's also important to note is the anti-profiteering rules the government has passed under the GST law. So I think businesses will not be able to, get away, and they will hopefully pass on this reduced tax benefit to the consumers. And I think consumers can also complain if they feel that the benefit is not being passed on to them. So I'm looking forward to how anti-profiteering rule comes into action.
Well, that's a very valid point because, time and again while we talk about these reductions, but will that benefit actually reach the consumers? Some of the business men, of course, may try to make it seem as if they still are under the pressure of the GST. So that is some valid points that they did make, and welcoming most of the revisions, of course. But as far as politics is concerned, while the common man has one thing to say, the politicians definitely have another. And today, while I spoke to Minister Priyank Kharge and the Home Minister of Karnataka, both, of course, from the opposition party, they were not very happy with what has been done, but they of course say that this was the idea of the opposition, and it's welcome that the government is now finally listening to them. Let's listen to these reactions.
You have to look as a country as a whole. It's not like one state, one side, another state, another side, and the central is another side. No, it should not happen. We have to grow together. See, for instance, Maharashtra is the largest GST taxpayer, and Karnataka is number 2. And each state has to competitively raise their GST share. But at the same time, that atmosphere, that ecosystem has to be built as a country. We need to have a good relationship with federal government, central government and state governments. So that has to happen.
With me is Minister for IT and BT, Mr. Priyank Kharge. Sir, how do you really look at the new GST revisions that have been made, or the reforms that have been made?
No, there has been some sort of common sense that seems to have dawned upon the central government, but it's taken them 8 long years to do so. And this is something that Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been advocating for since 2016. So what was the Gabbar Singh tax seems to have come down a little bit, but we are yet to see the implementation of the complete relief.
Would you say you're happy right now, or do you want to really look at it, how it's going to play out?
Ultimately, it is good to see that the current BJP government is actually considering opposition's advice. So the more advice they take from us, it will be better for the people of India.